Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Syncwire protective case for your AirTags. Yeah, 4-pack. So you get 4 of the protective cases, which is perfect because Apple sells the AirTags in a pack of 4 if you wanted to go that route. So you can have a case for every one of your AirTags. In this particular case package, you get 4, right? So you have 2 colors. You have black and then like a teal color. Whoops. Syncwire was nice enough to send these to me so I can test it out. And let me show you an AirTag that I honestly don't really use that much. I think I used it only when we went to Disney World and I gave this to my son to put into his pocket. And I honestly don't think he had anything else in his pocket. And you can see how scratched that actually is. Or maybe you can. Let me see if I can move it that way. Other than that, I haven't really used this particular AirTag for it to be this scratched up. So what this does, or what it's supposed to prevent, is all that scratching on the AirTag from daily, wear and tear. So let's see if I can put this together right here. It's a little, I'm having trouble getting this out. Here we go. Get the AirTag. I'm gonna guess it goes in like this, right? And then this thing goes on top somehow, some way. I don't know, maybe it goes this way. I mean, that way went a lot easier, not the white front forward. And then you get this piece and you somehow are supposed to put it in here to protect the case itself. I haven't looked at the instructions, but kind of pain to kind of get this thing back in here. I think, maybe not. I guess you're just gonna kind of keep feeding it in there, and there you go. With a little struggle, we got it. So with it, also you get a little ring. So this ring, you can attach it to the AirTag like so, and there you are. And you can attach that to wherever you want. So pretty nice. Let me just make sure it's in there safely, and let's just drop it, pick it up. Still intact. It did not come out, nor did that little plastic covering here come out. Which I like that it's plastic because then it won't crack. And it's kind of like a neoprene-ish soft plastic. So it's not that hard plastic that could potentially crack. I mean, this could too, I don't know. But, when I just dropped it and come out, I'm gonna hit it on the table. Nothing, looks pretty good. Drop it on the table, looks pretty good. So, looks like it's doing a good job of protecting the actual AirTag. I don't know, maybe I'll put this on my dog, just put on his collar. I know it's not really like, GPS and very accurate, but hey, it might help. I don't know if he'd want this on him, but we'll have to check it out and see. But I think for what it is and what it's supposed to do, it does a great job. You get 4 of them, so you can protect all of your AirTags. I know the biggest thing, or at least when the AirTags first came out, the biggest thing was they get scratched so easily, and this will prevent that from happening. The AirTags that I use, I don't have them in cases. I just kind of throw them in wherever. But now that I have this, I'll probably use these little cases, and most of them are like in bags, I think. One's in my car, one's in a bag. I forget what the other one is. But what I'll do is I won't use the ring because I just literally just put them in the thing. I don't attach it to anything. So I'll probably go without that ring. So it's nice that you can do it with or without the ring if you wanted to. For the set of 4, it's $14.99 on Amazon, so not that bad of a price. So you get 4 for, 15 bucks. And it says it's also waterproof, oil-proof, and dust-proof. The oil-proof part, I'm guessing, like fingerprint type deal, because I don't see you, dropping this in oil or something. But maybe, hey, cool. But it says it's fingerprint resistant, I believe. So, I'm kind of touching it right now, and I don't know. What do you think? Maybe that's just from me dropping it some. Maybe you don't see any fingerprints on there, so that's good. And it's that nice soft TPU like I was saying, so it's not like a hard plastic that'll break easier, right? And like I said, I do like this little ring because it's easy to put on and off. You just like that, and I'll take it out. Sorry if you couldn't see me putting it on. Ta-da. Struggling on the first try here, but and maybe if I do this, I wonder. Do it that way too. I don't know. Here I go, trying to take this off. Now I'm having trouble because I can't do it. But look at that. Simple, easy design, just how tech is supposed to be. You can say it isn't tech, it is tech, whatever, but it protects your tech. So don't forget to protect your tech. Overall, with Syncwire products, I've been very happy with everything I've received from them, what I've gotten from them, what I've bought from them. I've never not liked something. So here's another product that I can stand behind. Nice little AirTag protectors. I myself started making a video on AirTags when they first came out, but I never released it. I just felt like everybody had a video about them, and I just didn't want to do another one of the same kind of video. I was gonna do something a little bit different where I actually used it. Like I went out somewhere, I put it on my son or something, and then he would just kind of go somewhere and I'd go find him. Just never got around to it. But I do use them, and maybe, I don't know. I'll do that experiment to see how well these work in like a real world experience, even though there's a ton of videos on that as well. But maybe I just will. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know if you are using AirTags and what you're using them on. If you have any questions, comments, anything, just put them down in the comment section below. I'll link these down in the description below as well. And if you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. It'll definitely help us tremendously. And like always, just keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye.